Hello, this is a video tour of 711 Berry Street. This is the exterior of the building. It is a lovely property. It comes with one-car parking, and you enter the property and there is a very spacious shared courtyard here, several laundry rooms. The place has been completely renovated. We're going to be touring Unit 225. But first, here is one of the laundry rooms. There are several on the property. The unit that we're going to be touring is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in a fantastic location, walking distance to many wonderful restaurants, shops, and conveniences. This building is managed by a property management company, and there is an on-site manager. And let's walk up to the top level here. So the great thing about being on the upper level is that you don't hear any footsteps, and it is a very quiet building and a very quiet unit. Okay, here we are in Unit 225. You walk into this large living room. There's gas heat, laminate wood floors. This is the eat-in kitchen. There is a space here for a small dining table. Lots of natural light. Big windows. And let's take a closer look at the kitchen here. You have stone counters. Lots of natural light from the breakfast area, stainless sink, range, and stainless refrigerator. Here is the bedroom. It is very spacious, and you also do have a very large closet here to the left as well. Lots of closet space in the hallway. Here is your full bathroom with tub and shower combination. There are the closets, and there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com and contact Felicia. Thank you.